what I found and what I feel is that the implosion happened instantaneously, that it was not the viewport that failed because there was no shards, there was no viewport, there's nothing. The viewport was blown out, sat there somewhere still. And that the failure happened at the forward glue line at the ring. This is, you probably already, I mean, I know Tom already has a fair idea about, what I think about this, but if it hasn't been said, it is now. That this is how I think the failure happened, is why that glue line failed. Cyclic fatigue of the glue. Every time they go and do a dive, the hull would collapse in the center. Not a lot, nothing you would actually see with your eye, but it's still enough that the outside edge would cantilever out. It basically was, when it was squeezed down in the center, it was forced to try to rotate tortally. And I think the water got in through there, worked its way down until the final point when there was not enough glue line, there was not enough support by that titanium edge on the inside to maintain the pressure integrity. And it had to have happened equally all the way around that ring, because on the forward ring, on the very inside, that inside tab, go out and look at it, touch it, run your hand across it. It has been sheared off completely all the way around inward. The only way that would happen is if it all happened at once. If it happened partially at some place, it would have ripped and tore and then equalized in there, and this other piece, the other remaining piece of that material would stay intact. But that is not the case. It is on the aft end, but not on the forward end. That thing was sheared off smooth. So this had to happen extraordinarily fast, which means the people in there had no idea this was coming.